In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain on Hostinger quickly and efficiently. Whether you're setting up a new website or transferring an existing one, connecting your domain is a crucial step, and I'm here to guide you through it in just a few minutes. First, let's navigate to Hostinger's website. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and go to hpanelhostinger.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. If you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Hostinger dashboard, a critical hub for managing your online presence. Now that you're logged in, look for the Websites tab at the top or on the sidebar, depending on the current layout. Clicking on Websites takes you to a list of any projects you might have currently linked to your Hostinger account. This is where you're going to start your journey of linking your domain. In front of you, there should be a list of websites, and alongside each project title, an Edit Website button. Find the specific website you want to connect your domain to and click on Edit Website. Don't worry if you don't see your website listed. It can usually be found here unless the domain is from a different provider or hasn't been added yet. With this step complete, your task is to find and select Click to Connect Domain here. It's usually highlighted in a way that's easy to spot. By clicking this, you essentially signal Hostinger that you want to proceed with connecting a domain to this website. Once you've clicked, you'll likely be prompted with options or additional forms that need to be filled or selected. It's important to have your domain details ready. These could include your domain name, DNS settings, or name servers, depending on any previous configurations you've made or what's required for your integration. If you're unsure about these details, a quick visit to your domain provider or referring to any emails sent by them on purchase will usually clarify any confusion. And there you have it. Following these steps should connect your domain successfully on Hostinger. Remember, if changes don't appear immediately, DNS propagation might take up to 48 hours in some cases, so patience is key here. If issues arise, consider revisiting each step or consulting Hostinger's customer support for personalized assistance. By now, you should have a connected domain ready to do its magic, drawing visitors to your corner of the internet. Whether you're launching a business, a blog, or a personal portfolio, congratulations on taking this key step in establishing your online presence. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy web developing.